three, call to the public. Do we have any slips that have been submitted for call to the public? Hearing none, moving on to agenda item number 4A. Approve the invoice for rate mobile safety in an amount not to exceed $9,500.
Support. I'll make that motion.
Please, with motion, support, discussion. Any questions? You want to discuss any of it?
I'm here for the next commissioner, Nick Master. I'm available for any questions. It's the third year payment of a 3-year contract with Rave through 2021. Not much else to discuss about it. Unless there's any questions.
Any questions for the emergency manager? All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Glad to have you.
Glad to be here.
Hey, all in favor of moving this to committee of the whole? Say aye. Opposed? Motion passes. Moves on to Wednesday. Item B. Motion to authorize the execution of Motorola Flex software contract by the board chairman and discontinue the current contract with Central Square.
I'll make that motion.
Do you support?
I didn't think, I thought I was on the health and human services, I didn't think I was on the public safety.
Well, safety.
Okay. So we have a motion from Commissioner Buster, support from Commissioner Palmer. Discussion.
So, what department is this? We have to slow down.
To the sheriff's office.
Yeah, okay.
It's for the sheriff's office and central dispatch, so it's be a shared cost. We currently contract with Central Square. That software is 20+ years old. It's pretty much at end of life. Kevin Tomlinson here if you have any questions as far as IT related questions. They currently are charging us right around $97,000 a year to maintain the program with a 6% increase proposed for next year from the company. So over the last year and a half, myself, Lieutenant Dorling, and IT Tomlinson have been looking into software options for the county. We feel this is our best option, and over the life of the contract, the county will save around $560,000. Yeah. Any other questions?
I might know, so the funding for this is being divided between 911 and the Sheriff's Department. The Sheriff's Department portion of this is already covered from money that they received through the CPC signing bonus, which was $130,000.
$135,000. We'll be using $100,000 of that to pay our portion of the software.
So the money is already there from their signing bonus that they got related to that. So this is a good use of
And
that.
that's the video visitation.
That was the phone contract, yes. Yep.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay. So, vote, move this on to committee of the whole on Wednesday. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion passes. Moves on to Wednesday's agenda. Item number C, approve the contract renewal between the Sheriff's Department and Catholic Charities Program for offender reentry success and authorized signatures to be affixed the same. That has been requested to be dropped, so we will strike that from the agenda. And there was also a potential, another agenda item that will be put forth by Central Dispatch, and that is also being, not be brought forward to us today. We will deal with that in the future. With that, moving to agenda item 5, call to the public. Anyone else? Hearing none, motion for adjournment.
Yes. So,
Okay, adjourned.
Yeah. Shortest meeting.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, this is our first call to the public. Since apparently I've chased everyone out of the room, I don't see anybody for the public. Agenda item A, approve the contract between Shiawassee County Health Department and the Shiawassee Regional Education Service District for hearing and vision screening for children ages 0 to 5 in the amount of $13,500 for the period of October 1st of 2020 to September 30th of 2021, and authorize the health director to sign all necessary documents.
I'll make a motion.
Second.
All right, we have a motion and a support. I don't know that we need any on this, Larry.
The only thing I can say, all these contracts are renewals from last year at exactly the same rate. So that was positive, we didn't see any increases, everything was held the same. So we're happy about that, moving through health board, and it's that time of year again for our contract renewals.
Okay, so pretty much business as usual then,
I would note this is an income.
as a,
This is an income. This is a service that we are providing to. It's money coming into the town.
The first contract is the one where we get paid, the next 5 is where we pay. We like number 9.
All right, we did.
Does that 13.5 cover the rest?
all right, we have a motion and a support. All in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion carries. Item B, approve the contract between the Shiawassee County Health Department and Convenient Urgent Care for sexually transmitted infection services in the amount of $60 per visit for a period of October 1st, 2020 to September 30th, 2021, and authorize the health director to sign all necessary documents.
I'll make a motion.
Second.
All right, we have a motion, we have a second. Any,
Same rates. STIs are still happening in Boulder.
all right, good to know. All those in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. All those opposed? Item C, approve the contract between the Shiawassee County Health Department and the Shiawassee Regional Education Service District for reflective supervision services for MIHP program in the amount of $2,138 for the period of July 1st, 2020 to June 30, 2021, and authorize the health director to sign all necessary documents.
I'll make a motion.
Second.
All right, any discussion? All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. All those opposed? Motion carries. Item D, approve the contract renewal between the Shiawassee County Health Department and Shiawassee Health and Wellness for social work services as part of Perry School's Child and Adolescent Health Program in the amount not to exceed $80,500 for the period of September 1st, 2020 to August 31st, 2021, and authorize the health director to sign all necessary documents.
I'll make a motion.
Second.
All right, we're on a roll. Any discussion?
Just one, the Prairie School System is very appreciative of this. It's worked out. They're really pleased. The school board has a lot of good comments. They're really something they want to do statewide because it's really helped a lot of kids. So I just thought I'd throw that out.
Thank you. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. All those opposed? All right. Agenda item E. Approve the contract renewal between the Shiawassee County Health Department and Shiawassee Health and Wellness for social work services as part of the Durand School Wellness Program in the amount not to exceed $80,500 for school year 2020 to 2021, and authorize signify by saying aye. Aye. All those opposed? Item F, approve the contract between Shiawassee County Health Department and Connie Brown RD for dietitian services in the WIC program in the amount of $32 per hour for an average of 16 hours per week for the period of September 1st, 2020 to August 31st, 2021, and authorize the health director to sign all necessary documents.
I'll make the motion.
Second.
All right, any questions? Going once? Nope. All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All those opposed? Motion carried. All right, before we go to our second call of the public, I did have an informational item that really didn't have a good fit anywhere else. So it is this item in your packet. What you have here is the agenda from the Muskegon County Board of Commissioners. If we will look at item 9A, it is an Alcona County resolution in opposition to continuing COVID emergency executive orders from Lansing. So the resolution is the last 2 pages. I'm just asking that we take a look at it. Not proposing at this time any action items on it. It has been widely distributed throughout counties in Michigan. So if you have any questions.
I just think we all want to pass it right now.
Well, we are. It's not an action item. It's just an keeping abreast of what our fellow commissioners are doing in other counties. So our second call to the public. Do I have anyone that would like to speak? This meeting is adjourned.